friends, it's your girl Cha Cha reporting live from the Money Mantra, and we are back with another Forex education video. I really love helping you guys become independent and profitable traders just as much as you guys love watching these videos. So, whether you are new or returning, welcome back. And I really appreciate you guys taking the time to learn with me. There's so much content out there, but I really try to keep it short and sweet. And if you are curious about the other videos I have, you can explore my playlist because it's pretty organized. You'll find stuff on candlesticks, strategies, indicators, and just about everything you need to know broken down into bite-sized pieces. So yeah, definitely get nosy. If you guys want to connect with me outside of YouTube, you can find my information down below in the description box. But today we're going to be talking about one of the best features on TradeLocker, which is the trailing stop loss feature. Now, TradeLocker is a really modern, it's a nice modern trading platform. It's good for beginners or for seasoned traders. Um, and you just have to find a broker that hosts it. And then you'll be able to create your demo and live accounts. So today we're going to be going over how to use the trailing stop loss feature. If you're not familiar with what a stop loss and take profit is, I'll just briefly explain it to you. So when you enter a trade for a buy or a sell, you still have to determine when you're going to get in that trade and when you're going to get out that trade because you really don't want to be in it forever. And the way that you determine that is you have to set a take profit. This will take you out of the market in profit once the market hits that price. And you can also set a stop loss where if the market doesn't go in your favor, you set a certain amount of, okay, this is how much I'm willing to risk or lose in this trade. And once you get really good proper risk management, it'll be really easier to determine where you should put your stop losses and take profits. And it also depends on which time frame you are going to be trading on. But I would say just focus on areas of support and resistance. So we're currently in a GBP JPY sell right now. So let's just say that this was the most recent area of resistance, which is 19801. The market is currently at 19771, which is about 30 pips down. So let's just say that's going to be our stop loss. So I'm going to go down and modify the open trade that we already have by opening the trade panel. I'm going to click edit and I'm going to set my stop loss at 198.01 because I can see that that was the last area of resistance. Now, we can see that if this trade were to hit my stop loss, we would lose $1.79 because we only risk 10 cents in the trade. Now, once I turn on the trailing stop loss, what's going to happen is as the market continues to move in your favor, your stop loss is going to move along with it. So we're going to confirm our trailing stop loss, and then we're going to see what happens as the market continues to sell, right? As the market continues to sell. So we can see that we started with an initial loss of 179, and our stop loss was a little bit higher. As the market continues to drop, our stop loss is also going to be decreasing because the market is following along. Like it's automatically trailing your stop loss for you, which is pretty cool. You don't have to manually do it. When you're using other trading apps, sometimes you have to manually change your stop loss as the market is going. But with TradeLocker, it's automatic, and I think that is pretty cool and pretty helpful. Now, as the market continues to go in your favor, eventually your stop loss will move into profit, and even if the trade does hit stop loss, it doesn't have to be this scary thing because you've managed your risk appropriately and you've taken advantage of this awesome feature. And we can see in real time how our loss or our risk is decreasing as the market moves in our favor. So if you learned something today and you found this video helpful, just go ahead and drop a 7 down below in the chat. If you would like to connect with me outside of YouTube or you have additional questions, you can check my description box and drop your questions down below. And if you did find this helpful, make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss when I post another video. But that's really all I have for you guys today. Until next time, rich friends.
Yeah.